Hello everybody, I have a ride in Wilmington, Illinois. This is not my load trailer, I have to I'll make this stay. Trying to get this little thing in here. Piece of junk. Look at how I like this. I'm just gonna do this. There it goes. That'll work. I already got everything taken care of and whatnot. My trailer's literally two trailers beside me, so simple and easy enough. Gonna unlock the fifth wheel. Unlocked. Might be nice if I start the truck first. Hooked up here. Just throw this in here. No, I didn't need it. At least they didn't tell me that they needed it. Wrong way. Actually, no, I was going the right way. Okay, that was weird. Okay. Gonna slide my tandems here. Yep, we can do it. They are sealed. Got my light tests. I don't have to worry about it. on. Make sure. Everything looks to be working. Okay, yep, it's working. All right. Gotta move my tandems. So I got my paperwork put in and all this stuff. Give me one second, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back here. Just about heading away. I got my sunglasses real quick. I like this guy's gonna try to back in beside me. Oh, he really can. I think there's a spot open over there, but as far as I know, I think I'm good to go. I got my paperwork. I was not told that I need to go back in, so let's go ahead and get out of here. My current plan right now is there is a Love's. I'm going to be getting back on 55, and the Love's not too far away, and I think I'm going to make that my home tonight because I do have the hours. I could continue driving, but it is getting late. It's about 4. And another little challenging issue going to freaking Chicago is freaking just hectic right now. Due to there's just a whole bunch of traffic, construction, it's freaking a mess. So I'd rather go to sleep, you know, and wake up first thing in the morning to where I can get through that a lot easier. This makes a whole lot more sense. It's better than just sitting in traffic and just run out of hours. So that's kind of my plan here. I realized there was a lane here. This lane actually makes a whole lot more sense with how much truck traffic there is. Yep. I knew that was going to be an exit. Or turn only lane. I can usually always tell because the lines are painted different. If there's not signs, you can definitely, you know, depend on the lines, because the lines on the end up like squares or something like that. So as I said, that's one way to get out. Get on 55 north here. I'm really surprised there's no light here. There probably should be. Those people are just gonna have to hold their horses here. I'm never gonna be able to get through there. That's a mess. You guys now that this camera probably died. I've been trying to sit here and charge it, but apparently it did not charge. I don't know what the deal is with that one. It's like when I saw that, it's like get 10%. Come on, cruise control. You know, I don't know what's going on with that one. Honestly though, this is like, I have 2 GoPros and both of them are pretty old. They've done their job well, but I've had them since I've started making trucking videos. So yeah, they're a good 3-4 years old. So it's kind of expected, you know. As I said, they've done their job as well as they could. Maybe it's kind of a GoPro thing. I'm sure the new ones are probably better. Okay, I don't understand that one. There's reason for us to be doing 15 miles per hour. That's just silliness. Of what they're trying to make over there. Looks kind of fuel related, but who knows. Well guys, before this camera dies, I'm just about to the loves here, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. Like I said, I know this is a short video, but I gotta reserve the battery here. So, like I said, I will see you guys when we get to Gas City, Indiana. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.